Your crypto transaction has been pending for the past 3 hours, 4 hours, sometimes it even takes days. Now, let me tell you why the crypto transaction is pending. Now, watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you don't panic or you know what to do or what not to do when you have this kind of transaction happen. Now, here are the most reasons why a transaction stays pending for too long. Low transaction fees are the most common reason. That's the most common. When you set the transaction fee too low, or miners, validators, they prioritize your transaction, the network processes higher fee transaction first, leaving you stuck in the mempool. Eventually, it will process it. Now, number 2 is a network congestion. Network congestion, higher traffic periods such as the bull market, NFT drops, token launches, causes backlogs. Even normal fees may not be enough during peak times, and that will also lead to higher transaction fees and all of that. Now, nonce issues. This is common with Ethereum and EVM chains. If a previous transaction from your wallet is pending, all subsequent ones are blocked until it clears. They must process in order. The 4th reason is insufficient gas fee. Ethereum, this is mostly common with Ethereum. Setting the gas limit to too low means that transaction runs out of fuel mid-execution and gets stuck or fails. Now, the 5th and the last reason here is node/wallet synchronization problems. Sometimes your wallet or the RPC node it's connected to is out of sync, making transaction appear pending when it may already be confirmed on-chain. So now, what are the solutions to all of these problems? Now, here is one of the most popular things that you can do, most recommended, is to check Block Explorer. If you're using Ethereum, if you're transacting on Ethereum, check Etherscan. If you're transacting on BSC, on Binance Smart Chain, check BSC.scan. If you are transacting on Solana, check SolScan. If you are transacting on Bitcoin, check blockchain.com or blockchain.com or the .io and check the status of the transaction. Whatever blockchain you are transacting on, just check the block scan using your transaction hash ID to see its real status. Now, the next thing you can do is, most times you can see the transaction going. You can speed up or replace the transaction. Most wallets let you resubmit the same transaction with a higher fee. For instance, wallet that support EIP 1559 on Ethereum allows this. So take note of the kind of wallet you are using. Now, the 3rd thing you can do is to cancel it. Send a 0 Ethereum, that is if the transaction is on Ethereum, send a 0 Ethereum to yourself with the same nonce but a higher gas fee to override the stock one. This applies mostly to Ethereum transaction. Now, the 4th thing you can do is to wait it out and just wait. It can take maybe a few hours, or sometimes it takes a whole day for some transaction at a peak hour. If the fees isn't extremely low, it may confirm once congestion clears. You know, this happens to Solana too most times. Check the mempool. That's the last thing that you can do. Site like mempool.space, you can use it to check Bitcoin status, or etherscan.io/txs pending for Ethereum. It shows queue status. So this shows the queue status of the transaction. Other than all of this, if you have any other issue apart from the, let's say your transaction has been pending for more than 24 hours, or maybe you have any other related, maybe missing transaction, feel free to email me. You can see my email either in the description box or on the screen. See you in my next video.